Hi there, my name is Ian Stewart. I am the proud owner of Buildabizonline, and I'd like to welcome you to this short video. This short video shows you our toolbox. It was designed for affiliate marketers but can be used for any online business that you wish. So to start off with, I would like to introduce you to our Autoresponder. So if I click on this link here, it'll take me through to my Autoresponder. Now it's very, very simple to use. Very simple to use. But what I want to show you is this. These are the campaigns that I've got on this test account that I'm using now. And you will see a number that I've got in here in this short test. This is one that I use for making my videos. But you, as what we call a pro executive member, can have unlimited campaigns in your autoresponder with unlimited subscribers. And you will notice that we've got a few links here to do with this campaign. This campaign is called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. I'll just show you by clicking on that. That's what this particular campaign looks like. The capture page, or some people call it landing page. Okay, so I'm going to close that down. Just show you these few links. I can change the template just there. I can alter the page look by going into the settings. If I want to put the capture form that you saw on that page into, say, my blog, all I need to do is copy the form code and I can put that on any other website that I want. You will also notice that you can share your campaigns with others. So let us say that you are a team leader, you've created a really nice page like the one you've just seen, and you wanted to share that with your team members or anybody in your downline. You can do that simply by clicking on here, generating the 2-bit snippets of code, I call them, the ID and the other password, if you like, passcode, and then you pass it on by email to your downline or your team members, and they import it by creating a campaign first of all, and then when you import it, you're not only copying the exact page, i.e. this one just here, but all the emails all in one go will go over. Then all you need to do is to click onto this link, choose the campaign, and make sure that your links are in there and not the person that has shared that campaign with you. Okay, so it's a great tool, very simple to use, very, very simple indeed. So that is our autoresponder. Remember, unlimited campaigns with unlimited subscribers. Below that, we have 2 more bonuses, and this is a bonus traffic blog, which is a WordPress site. So you can have one of those if you wish. Also, we've got a bonus surfing tool. Now, a lot of our members use traffic exchanges, and this will help you earn credits up to 200% faster. And that's a great thing, so that you can get your ads out there, get those credits onto your ads. Now, when we first started, we call this the original Buildabizonline Tool Box because this is all we had to start with. The splash page builder, we use that in conjunction with other tools, but this is a simple splash page. Let me just click on this and you'll notice that this looks similar to our autoresponder in the sense that you see your splash page just there. You can change the template just there, the settings to alter the page just there, and you can also share your splash pages with your team or your downline or anybody else for that matter in Buildabizonline, so long as they are upgraded. And of course, you can always delete the campaign just there. Okay, so that is our splash page builder. So let me just click my back button and we come back to here. 10 banner splash page. Now, what is that? That is a page where you can add 10 button banners. There's the ones that I've got on mine, and it will look like this. Now, a lot of our members use this to promote the traffic exchanges that they're in. Okay, so that is that tool. And let me just click on there and click my back button. Now, what we also have is a tracker and brander. This is a URL tool to cloak, track, and shorten, and it also brands your URLs. That's another great tool. You have the ability at Buildabizonline that when you start drawing people in, and we have a lot of affiliate links and ways that you can do that, you will build your downline at Buildabizonline, and you then can email them from your members area. And if you wanted to track to see how many people are opening your emails, that is the tool that you need. We have an onboard HTML editor to help you with splash pages and also capture pages. Now, these are the newest tools. We're working in conjunction with a guy called Martin, and he owns a website called reducethehype.com. You know, there's a lot of hype online. Well, that's reducethehype.com, and he is what I call an HTML programmer, and he's provided all these tools just here and a few more. But we have our own URL link checker that we can check our links before we put them in traffic exchanges and the like. There's an email generator. Now, this is a template to make your emails look professional. So that's the tool that he's built for that. We have an inline form generator to use with our autoresponder. There's also a two-step form generator. Now, this one is like a call to action button saying click here, and then it says you are 50% done. Now fill in the form for the information that you requested. So that's what we call a two-step form generator. He's also created a button maker and also a scarcity bar. Okay, scarcity bar, that's better, even better. Now that scarcity bar has been created to give some kind of urgency to those that are filling in a form or looking at your splash page. Okay. Also, I must say that he's making right at the moment a countdown timer to put in splash pages and also our capture pages as well. Now then, if you want splash pages with video backgrounds, then this is the generator that you can use for that. If you want a slideshow on your splash pages or your capture pages, both these work in both, then that is the tool that you need. Then we also have a very powerful exit pop-up generator. And then this is the ultimate splash and capture page generator. Now, with this tool, and there is a separate video on our homepage at the moment at buildabizonline.com, and you will see this in operation, and that provides you with 6 ways that you can build your business. You have a look at that video and you'll see what I mean. Okay, we also found these. These were online, but we've linked them. And the reason for that is to save you members searching all over the internet for ideas on what to do to make your splash pages and your capture pages pop. So we've got a rounded corners of images. Now you can see these little boxes have all got rounded corners, and that's the trend that people use now. Also, reflections on images. That's another thing to make your ads pop. A water reflection on the images. That's another great tool that I use sometimes for my pages. Free image hosting on our server. Okay, so you can do that here at Buildabizonline. We've got a free image cropping tool, and this one is a cropping, well, it's an image resizer. But not only does it reduce the size of your image. It also does it in file size as well, so makes them load quicker on your pages. We have a shortcut to some royalty-free stock photos. We have an image background transparency. So if you've got an image and you want the background making transparent so it pops the image out and forgets about the background of a picture, then that is the tool that you can use that we've found. Also we've got their royalty-free music, and we can also animate your banner building. We do have another banner builder as well in our toolbox. And also, when it comes to our capture pages, we have a capture page, and then we have a confirmation page, then we have a thank you page, and also there is another page that if somebody unsubscribes to your campaign, it takes them to an unsubscribe page, and you can create all those to look identical throughout with the same background, short messages on them. That is the tool that you need for that. So that's all our tools. So although we say 24, we've got more than that. It is absolutely ideal. And once you log into our members area, and then you see there's a short video in there that we did a survey just recently, and I want you to look at what our members say about our tools and comparing them with other programs as well. That's not my words, that is their words. So that's just a quick glimpse at the tools within the toolbox of Buildabizonline. So I'd like to say thanks for listening, and why not join us today? Or if you are already joined and you didn't know that we've got all those tools, please search them out, try them out. You will be amazed. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.